Hello there, I am 𝐁𝐚𝐬𝐢𝐜, founder of TaqTaq networking app. Imagine that you get like to have our English version. Okay, first of all, one of the things that you need to know that TaqTaq today is available only in Portuguese and in English. And if you have to exchange your language, you need to address the proper English. In this case, in my mobile, it's English from Ireland. If I try the English from United States, it won't work properly. Remember, we are just a startup. Okay, so having said that, we are back here, and you can refresh your TaqTaq, and you have it in English properly. Okay, so everything here: home, my account, contact cards, my contacts, and get out. So this video is addressed to newcomers. Okay, if you have never heard of TaqTaq, which is a networking app, it's a digital business card, and very easy, straightforward. You have your card, you have your contact cards, and you have all your contacts in the palm of your hands. Well, imagine that you want to create a new card, and then you come over here. By the time you log in, you have this plus thing. In this case, because I put it Ireland, so appears my number in Ireland, but I have to exchange if I want to put it in Brazil, where I am now, right now, and fulfill all the fields. But you can have many more fields for more mobiles, more emails, more tags. You can add a tag. You can have it for Facebook account, your LinkedIn account, your role in the company, and also your money bio, which means, are you engineer? What do you do for your living? Your Instagram, and your Instagram, your Twitter, and your company, and the address of your place, and also the site of your company, and finally the blog of your company. So you can fulfill all the forms, or you can remove some of them. For example, remove this email here, which is in excess, and you can fulfill everything. You can put your logo, and you can give a name to this card, and then you can save it. So very quickly and easily. So then we are back here, and I have a number of cards that I have prepared for TaqTaq. This is a sample for a B2B bank customer. This is my basic one, in which I can really duplicate it, and I can have many orders coming from out of it. This is for another business that I have, so you can have as many hats as you want. So in this case, I'm producing a movie. In this case,